Welcome to SpendCap 402, the enterprise egress proxy firewall built for the agentic economy. As autonomous AI agents gain Web3 wallet signing capabilities to execute pay-per-call micropayments, an agent stuck in an execution loop can drain an entire crypto wallet in minutes. SpendCap 402 solves this by enforcing rule-based spend ceilings and daily budget caps per agent. When an AI agent calls an external API, our proxy intercepts the HTTP 402 payment required challenge, verifies spend rules, auto-signs EIP 712 authorizations, and logs immutable transaction receipts. Here on the live dashboard, administrators can track total spend, active fleet quotas, and real-time time series telemetry updated every 4 seconds. You can edit daily budget ceilings, toggle agent statuses, and view blocked policy violations instantly. Our built-in live protocol inspector visualizes all 4 phases of the X402 lifecycle, from initial request, 402 challenge, proxy policy evaluation, to settled receipt. The interactive API playground lets developers test real X402 endpoints in real time. Finally, the docked Agent Copilot features multi-agent negotiation and live MCP function calling. SpendCap 402, securing machine-to-machine micropayments on base mainnet. Thank you for watching.